Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to my channel, your go-to place for all things language learning. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you. Learning English, present continuous tense.
If you've ever wondered how to talk about actions happening right now or in the near future, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the formula for the present continuous tense, provide you with some examples, and give you tips on how to use it effectively. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. The formula for the present continuous tense is pretty straightforward. It consists of two main components, the present tense of the verb, to be, am, is, or are, and the base form of the main verb plus ing. So, it looks like this. Subject, I, you, he, she, it, we, they, plus present tense of to be plus base form of the verb plus ing.
For example, I am learning English. In this sentence, I is the subject, am is the present tense of to be, and learning is the base form of the verb learn with ing added. This sentence means that I am in the process of learning English right now. She is celebrating her graduation. Here, she is the subject, is the present tense of to be, and celebrating is the base form of the verb celebrate with ing. This tells us that she is currently engaged in celebrating her graduation. He is watering the plant. He is the subject, is the present tense of to be, and watering is the base form of the verb water with ing. This tells us that he is currently engaged in watering the plant. The present continuous tense is not just for actions happening right now, it can also be used for actions in the near future. For instance, I am meeting my friend later. It suggests that you have plans to meet your friend in the near future. And there you have it, the present continuous tense in English. It's a versatile and essential tool for expressing actions in progress or actions scheduled for the near future. Practice makes perfect, so go ahead and try using it in your everyday conversations. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more language learning tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or want to see more topics covered, leave them in the comments below. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.